How to play all Spotify songs in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So to play all Spotify songs, you have to firstly open your Spotify app, and this video tutorial is similar for the both Android and iOS. So you have to watch this video until the end. So firstly what you need to do is open the Spotify app, and then you have to go to your library, and here you have to tap on the liked songs. So firstly you can see all the liked songs. So what you need to do is simply you have to search all the songs that you want and then like the song, and when you like all the songs, then it will be added to the your liked songs playlist. And when you play the by clicking on the liked songs under this playlist, then it will start playing all the songs continuously. So that's basically what you need to do is you have to first step you have to go to the search, and then you can search any of the song that you want and click on this banner and open any of the songs that you want. So when you open any of the songs that you want, under the banner you can see this like button. So in the right side of the song name you can see the like button. So what you need to do is you have to simply click on the like button, and it is added to the liked song. So you have to do this process with all the songs that you want to add. So you can add as many as songs. So you can also again search any of the song that you want. So let's see, I want to search I want to add this song. So you have to simply click on this song, and then it will start playing. And now what you need to do is you have to again like this song by clicking on this like button in the right side of song name, and it is added to the like song. So you have to simply open any of the song that you want to listen continuously and search it and then like the song, and it will be added to your liked songs. Here you can see, and after when you play the song, any of the song, then it will be start playing all the songs. So it will be continuously as playing all the songs. So that's basically what you need to do. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like and comment on this video. Have a good day.